What's up, everybody? It's your boy, MKBHD, here for a deep dive into the world of Intel X86 processors. It all began in 1978 with the Intel 8086. This little chip was a game changer. It was a 16-bit processor, a big step up from the 8-bit processors at the time. The 8086 could handle more data, making computers faster and more powerful. This paved the way for the personal computer revolution. We're talking IBM PCs, the foundation for the computers we use today. It was a game changer. The 8086 wasn't just about power, though. It also introduced the X86 instruction set. This is like the language processors use to understand commands. And guess what? This same instruction set is still used today, albeit with major upgrades over the years. The 8086 was a pivotal moment in tech history. It laid the groundwork for everything that followed. From the first IBM PCs to the powerful machines we use today, it all started with the 8086. Intel didn't stop there, though. They kept innovating, pushing the boundaries of what processors could do. In 1982, they released the Intel 80186, a beefed-up 8086 with some cool new features. Think of it like the 8086's cooler younger brother. The 80186 had integrated peripherals, which meant less need for separate chips on the motherboard. This made computers smaller and more efficient. They also introduced the 80286 in 1982, which was even more powerful. The 80286 could address more memory than its predecessors, up to a whopping 16 megabytes. That might not sound like much today, but back then it was a huge deal. This allowed for more complex software and multitasking capabilities. These advancements may seem incremental now, but they were huge steps forward. Each new processor built upon the success of the last, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The 80186 and 80286 solidified Intel's dominance in the processor market. Hold on to your hats, because things are about to get even more interesting. In 1985, Intel dropped the 80386, their first 32-bit processor. This was a monumental shift in computing. Imagine going from a 2-lane road to a 6-lane highway. The 80386 could process way more data simultaneously, opening the door for even more powerful software and operating systems. It could also run older 16-bit software, ensuring compatibility with existing programs. This paved the way for operating systems like Windows 95, which required the power of a 32-bit processor. This was a major turning point, marking the beginning of the modern computing era as we know it. The 80386 wasn't just an upgrade. It was a revolution. It shattered performance barriers and set the stage for the software and technology we rely on today. It's safe to say that the 80386 changed the world. The 80486 followed in 1989, bringing even more power and features like built-in math coprocessors for faster calculations. This was crucial for demanding tasks like video editing and 3D graphics, which were becoming increasingly popular. The 80486 was a beast, further cementing Intel's position as the processor king. But Intel's story isn't just about individual processors, it's about continuous innovation and the relentless pursuit of Moore's law. This observation, made by Intel co-founder Gordon Moore, states that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles roughly every 2 years. This means processors get smaller, faster, and more efficient over time, and that's exactly what we've seen with Intel's X86 processors. From the 8086 to today's cutting-edge CPUs, Intel has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. What does the future hold? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Intel will be at the forefront, driving innovation and shaping the future of technology. Peace out.